everyone. In this session, we will be looking at RazorpayX Payroll, user role, and permission. To ensure better compliance and smooth operations, you can create different user roles for your admins and assign relevant permissions. Set up user roles for your organization, head to Settings. Scroll down to the user role section and click on Edit. Over here, you will be able to see all the standard roles that RazorpayX Payroll offers today. This includes Administrator, Human Resource, Payroll, Report Viewer, Reimbursement, and Chartered Accountant. Click on any of the standard role you wish to change. Select or deselect the permissions that you want to add or remove, and click on Save Changes. Now that you have changed the user and its permissions, you need to assign the user role to your employees. To do so, please ensure that the person is added to your organization, either as an employee or a contractor. Now, head to that person's profile from the People page. Scroll to the user role once again, and select the user role you would like to assign them. Click Save, and you're done. Now, in addition to our 6 standard roles, RazorpayX Payroll supports the ability to create custom user roles specific to your organization. Once again, head to Settings, scroll down to User Roles, and click on Edit. Over here, click on Create New Role. Now choose if you want to create a role with blank permissions or if you want to copy permissions from any other existing roles and edit them. In this example, I will create a blank role. Here, I'm adding a role for HRBP. You can select all the permissions that you want to add. Click on Save Changes. You can edit the permissions of existing role or even delete roles. To edit, click on the role whose permission you want to edit and make all the changes by selecting and deselecting permissions from the drop-down list and click on Save Changes. Similarly, to delete, click on the role that needs to be deleted, scroll down, and click on Delete Role. Thank you for joining in.